Hi, today I'd like to talk to you about QuickTime movie recordings. Anytime that you need to create a video of yourself speaking, for example, you're creating a course introduction video, you can use QuickTime movie recordings. It's as easy as opening QuickTime, pressing File, New Movie Recording. That will activate your laptop's camera, and you can simply speak to the camera as if you were speaking to people. I'll go ahead and click record to start the recording of the video. Now I'm doing my introduction video, and when I'm finished, I simply press stop to finish the recording. File, save, and you can save this to your documents for later use. Go ahead and save that. I can also take this recording and place that inside of a place like Google Drive for easy sharing via a link. Whenever I place this video into Google Drive, I just need to make sure that it's accessible anyone with the link. Now that my video is finished uploading to Drive, I can simply single click it, click the link tool, make sure that this is set to anyone with the link, can be a viewer, copy the link, and I'm ready to place that into my course for my learners and their parents. It's just that easy. As always, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.